Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw a gingerbread baby. So our gingerbread baby, to show that it's a baby, we're going to make their head a little big, and we're going to give them a lot of forehead because babies always have that kind of big forehead area. We're going to start their eyes a little low and give them these big kind of cute eyes, and you can make their eyes dark if you want, or you can leave them light. Next they're going to have a little nose. We can give them a little baby nose and a little baby mouth, just like that. And let's give them a little, like a little hat. So we're going to take some, that sort of icing there, so that's like a swirl. And you know, you can go ahead and make their swirls in pink or blue or yellow or green, because gingerbread babies and cookies always have a lot of colors on them. So next they have their kind of little stumpy arms. They're a little shorter than mom and dad gingerbread arms. And then they have kind of a little bit of a belly because they've got that little gingerbread baby fat, and little leggies, just like that. So bring the lines down and then make a round part at the bottom for the foot. And then you can go back in with your colors and you can give little gingerbread baby little buttons, like he's wearing a little onesie, and maybe some little sock booties. And why not give him a little rattle too? And on the rattle, we also have a little gingerbread design, just like that. And that is how you draw a gingerbread baby.